Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an exciting topic to share with you all: how to convert a website into a mobile app. There are various platforms available that can help you convert your website or any other website into a mobile app effortlessly. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we'll be using App Creator 24. So without wasting time, let's get it started. All you just need to do is go to your Chrome, search for App Creator 24. You're going to see appcreator24.com. Hit it, appcreator24.com. Now you'll be presented with this page, the sign in page. But if you have an account, you sign. If you don't have an account, hit on sign up. You provide your name, your country, your email, and then you hit on send. You'll be sent an email notification to activate your account. Upon account activation, you'll be taken to the App Creator 24 dashboard here, where you're presented with a place for you to create app. So for you to convert your website into a mobile app, you need to hit on create app, and then it's going to load your create app. You're going to put your app name. Let's see, I want to build an app for Bliss Niger blog. So Bliss Niger blog. Now it's asking me to choose my app icon. Let me just choose from the gallery. Click on choose from gallery, where there are predefined icons I can choose from. Let me choose this one because it's a blog. And then you're going to provide app description. It's a blog, so I just want to write it's a blog. So you provide a description for your application, and then you hit next. It's saving. It's going to take you to the next step. We're going to choose your style, the style for your app, how your app should look like. I want to choose blue. I want to go with blue. You select your app style and then you hit on next. You click next. Now you have your kind of app: chat, social media, web app, TV, quiz. But because we want to convert, we're converting, we're going to use what? Web. Create an app of a website. So we hit on web app, and then you provide a name. Say it's Bliss Niger, and then you provide the URL to that website: blissniger.com. blissniger.com. And then I hit next. Then URL, okay, https blissniger.com. okay, it's saving now. So wizard completed, app created. Now I just need to do what? Hit go to app manager, where my app has been created, that the website has been converted to a mobile app and can run on any smartphone. Now download the app opening with your phone or tablet by using the following link. So I just need to wait. Let me just hit. So you need to go to download application. Now boom, my application is ready. I hit on download, and then it's going to download to my phone. This file can harm your blah blah blah. Forget that. Hit on OK, and then it's downloading. Hit on open, and then it's installing. It's an unknown application, so I need to go to settings and select accept for it to accept unknown application. I hit, you see my icon, so I hit on install. Wow, so now the website has been converted to a mobile application and can be run on any smartphone or tablet. So it's loading. I want to open it, show you that it's Bliss Niger that has been converted to this mobile application. So there are very many platforms that you can get this done. Okay, so when you get out there, search. I'm going to put some below the description of this video. So you hit on open to open the app. The application is now opening. So with time, you're going to get conversant with using App Creator 24. You're going to see how you can style your app the way you want, add more buttons. So it's loading. I love this icon. Now this BlizNiger.com. Okay, it's coming up. Boom. So you see, this is the app. Can you look at that? See, BlizNiger blog app. Okay, can you see that? Let's just open an article. How to make money with your smartphone. So all I just wanted to do is what? Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification button so that you're gonna be notified anytime I drop a video of such. So you see, I'll see you on the next one.